Hey there, it's me again. Sorry for the interruption. I just wanted to let you know that as a Spanish teacher, I couldn't find a good Spanish book, and there are so many, but I couldn't find a good one to use with my students. So I made my own because the fun way is the best way, right? This is a very good guide. It's a full guide about Espanol with sentences, vocabulary, a little bit of everything. It's fantastic for you, and if you have children, it will be awesome for them too. It has reading, grammar, de todo, a little bit of everything. So please do find Spanish the Fun Way on Amazon, or you can find it on my website, Spanish.Education, or I Love You in Spanish. Sigue viendo, keep watching.
Ever pondered about the magic that unfolds when you learn a new language? Imagine the doors it opens, the people it introduces, and the cultures it unveils. Now picture the joy of sharing that journey with your loved ones, especially when you're learning Spanish, one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. Scene script. Enter teacher Susie, a passionate Spanish educator from the enchanting lands of Spain. Armed with her love for the language and a desire to make learning a delightful experience, she crafted Spanish the Fun Way, the ultimate Spanish book for kids and their adults. Teacher Susie said adios to the mundane textbooks and hola to a novel approach. She wove this book with captivating stories, handmade illustrations, and interactive games and exercises. Her objective? To make learning Spanish not just a task, but an engaging adventure. Whether you're a parent eager to guide your child through the Spanish language or an adult yearning to brush up your language skills, this book caters to all. It's a treasure trove that you'll keep returning to, unveiling a new Spanish phrase or an interesting language nuance each time. Spanish the Fun Way stands apart from the crowd with its focus on real-world usage. It's not just about learning the language, it's about using it in day-to-day situations. From ordering your favorite paella in a restaurant to asking for directions in bustling Barcelona, this book equips you to use Spanish confidently in the real world. Listen to this from a satisfied customer. This book is a lifesaver for busy parents like me who want to introduce a new language to their children. It's engaging and interactive. My kids love it, and it has made learning Spanish a fun bonding experience for our family. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Give yourself and your loved ones the gift of a new language. Order your copy of Spanish the Fun Way today. Start speaking Spanish like a pro and see the difference it can make in your lives. The world is waiting, and so is the adventure of a lifetime.